Hey Math 8 students, so this next con is called Approximating Square Roots. On all of these, you're not supposed to use your calculator, but because you're doing them at home or in different places, it's not something I can really monitor either. But I will go through it as though you're not using your calculators. It's probably the best way for you to make sure you get as much out of this as possible. So the first thing that they want you to do is, can you estimate approximately where the square root of 215 would fall? And the best way of doing this is that if you were to make up a table, and notice that these numbers steadily grow until I get well beyond 215. I've got some on one side, some on the other side. So the question becomes, where would 215 fall in these numbers? Well, it's greater than 169, it's greater than 196. Oh, it's not greater than 225. So first of all, it's going to fall between 14 and 15. So we know it's going to either be this one here or this one here. The question becomes, which one is it closer to? Is it closer to 14 or is it closer to 15? You'll notice that 215 is about 10 away from 225, and 215 is about 19 away from the 196. So it's actually closer to 15, which means it's closer to this number, meaning it would be letter D. All right, let's do another type that they'll give us. All right, without using a calculator, you need to put these three numbers in order from least to greatest. So, square root of 78 is not a very nice number. If you were to take 9 and square it, 9 squared would be 81, which is greater than 78. 10 squared right here would be 100. So really, if we put these in order, 78 would be the smallest. The next biggest would be the 9 squared, which is 81, and then the largest would be 10 squared, which is 100. So we'd put them in the following order right there. All right, and then finally, the last one we've got here. Without using a calculator, fill in the blanks of two consecutive integers. Remember, integers do not include decimals. So integers are numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so the square root of 32. We need to find two perfect square roots, one on this side and one on this side of 32. Let's see, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Hey, on the bigger side, 36 is a perfect square, and the square root of 36 would be 6. Now if we go on the smaller side, let's see, we go 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Hey, 25 is a perfect square, and the square root of 25 would be 5. So there's a nice easy way of doing that. That's how you do it, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.